Hello, fellow dreamers! We are heading out on an adventure in the very, very cold Florida evening. It is super chilly tonight. I think it's like in the 50s tonight. It is so cold. I think Minnesota is warmer right now than Florida. But we are very excited. We are heading over to Islands of Adventure to head over to Hogsmeade. We're going to try to get dinner over at Three Broomsticks, and then we're going to try to see that new evening show on Hogwarts Castle. So you know, we were there over the Christmas season and got to see the Christmas show, and now there is a new show that's supposed to run all the way through February. I don't know if they're going to extend it, but for now, it's just a few weeks of this brand new show. So we're going to check it out, and you guys get to come with us. Let's go to Wizard World of Harry Potter. Who's excited? Me. So that's what I said like 2 seconds ago. Didn't I just say that like 2 seconds ago? Let the adventure begin. There it is, right there.
What is fun day?
I thought it was for hit the quad. Hit the quad. No? Hit the quad.
Here's this one. One is the one.
We were gonna do Three Broomsticks, but Mythos is open. The door is open. Is it open? Is it? Are you still open?
We are closing. You are closing.
Oh no. Oh well. So close.
Oh well, there's always next time. There's always next time.
Maybe.
There's always next time.
There is always next time.
There's always next time. Can we check the mountain?
Yes, let's go check the fountain. So Mythos right behind us is a fantastic restaurant. Super good food and an amazing view. So if you get a chance to go to Mythos, definitely go because it's incredible. So I guess we are going to Three Broomsticks, which is still good.
Heat rocks.
Wow.
Acá tiene cabida.
I don't know.
He's on lunch break.
Dude, we are not having luck at all today. No Mythos, the fountain's not on. Is Three Broomsticks even going to be open? Are we going to be able to eat to dinner? All these questions I don't know the answer to. Is the Harry Potter show going to go on tonight? I don't know.
I got mac and cheese.
Good evening. I'm the Hogwarts sorting hat. There's nothing I can't see. So try me on and I will tell you where you ought to be. You might belong in Gryffindor, where dwell the brave at heart. You might belong in Hufflepuff, where they are just and loyal. Or yet, in wise old Ravenclaw, if you've a ready mind. I'm the Hogwarts sorting hat. There's nothing I can't see. So try me on and I will tell you where you ought to be. You might belong in Gryffindor, where dwell the brave at heart. You might belong in Hufflepuff, where they are just and loyal. Or yet, in wise old Ravenclaw, if you've a ready mind. Or perhaps in Slytherin, those cunning folk use any means to achieve their ends. So, just try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be.
Show was amazing. What did you think? Is it food?
No.
It was really, really good. So we actually saw the show 3 times. We saw it outside on the patio at 3 Broomsticks, which wasn't the best view, but it was an awesome view while we ate. Then we saw it, they actually had the markings on the floor from the Christmas show, so we stood at the very front of the white line for that show, which was a good view, but it did kind of have some obstructions. Finally, the last view was over by the wand kiosk, over by almost like in front of, what's the store? Filch's, right? Filch's?
Yes.
So right in front of Filch's where that wand stop was. So we were over there and there was nobody there. It was literally smack up in front of the castle, and that I think was my favorite view. Was that your favorite too?
I think I like the second one.
Okay, so the second one. So different perspectives, and I definitely liked that last spot because we just walked up. We didn't have to wait in line, and we didn't have to wait in the crowd. Elves, and so that was, kind of nice. But it was a great show. I highly recommend it. Talked to a team member, and the team member currently it goes until February, like mid-February. But the team member thinks they're going to actually continue it through the summer
Until
months.
Labor Day.
Yeah, so keep our fingers crossed and they keep the show because it was really, really cool. Loved it. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Now it is 8 o'clock and the park is closing, and I don't like to stay. We want those team members to get home.
We don't want to be those people who
Right.
stay till like 1 hour after closing.
Yeah, we don't want to be those people.
Keep on dreaming.
Bye. Love you all. Bye.